Hey everyone, welcome back. So we have a special episode for you guys today. So as many of you guys know, I believe there were about 30 of these packages sent out. And some people, who have been helping out in the community in their own way, the VeVe community, they've received these packages. You guys can kind of see my name is on there as well. And basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be unboxing it now. I know some of you guys have already kind of seen other, community members share this, but I thought, I might as well see, I just want to do it myself, I just want to kind of like share this moment with you guys because, this box isn't even opened yet. So we are going to open this box up. And if I can get it open, here we go. So we have in here, oh, okay, so the box has like a sticker on it. And yeah, it's got like my details. Okay, this is quite a heavy box actually. How am I going to get this out? Okay, so let's just move this cardboard one out the way. Anything in there? Nope. Okay, so we have in here this, let's see, it's like a very solid heavy box. Yeah, there's like stuff shaking around in there. I'm guessing that's the Accord. And again at the front you guys can kind of see my name is on there. It says K. So I think the way to open this, we have to unscrew it. It's like screwed. Oh, okay, so we just turn these screws, I believe, and there's another one. They go the same, yeah, they go the same way, obviously. So unscrew these. Okay, put these away. So here you go, Pikachu, you can look after those. And now, ooh, it's like really cold. It's like there's like condensation all over it. Okay, so we're gonna lift this, and ooh, this is shiny. Okay, you guys can kind of see. It's got like VeVe all over it, so it's like a metal plaque on its own. So I could actually just stick this up somewhere. Okay, so I'm gonna put this here at the front, and I'll show you guys kind of like what I can see. So we can see here we've got this cord, we've got some t-shirts, and we've got some other stuff in here too. So the cord, I'm gonna pull this out, and that's gonna go with the VeVe lamp. So let's just see how many t-shirts we have. So we have one small, we have one extra large, yeah, that's probably not gonna fit me. We have a medium, which is my size perfect. We have an extra large, which again is probably not for me. And then for the white ones, we've got, so we've got a large white and also a large black one. They've basically gone and given us like one of every size really. Medium white, medium XL, and then we have small white and extra large white. And you guys can see kind of underneath we have the VeVe lamp. Oh, so okay, so we got a couple of these as well actually. So these are pretty cool. They look like they're kind of perspex little VeVe signs. So I've got one of those, and I also have another one that is, oh, this one is colored. Okay, so I'm gonna stick this on my desk somewhere. This is pretty cool. So we got that, and we've also got like this little compartment here that pops out. It's already popped out. And we have the autograph from, yep, that first one is definitely David. I can, it looks like this one's more legible than the other ones. So you guys, maybe you can make that out. It says David and Dan. So the one on the right, the one on the left is David's. Dan Crow is the kind of one that's looks like squiggles. Okay, so we also have, let's see what's in here. This relates to the sign. So there's this little box as well. This is, yes, this is the switch. So it's an LED dimmer. Oh, okay, so you turn it and it can dim the VeVe sign. And what else do we have? So there's another compartment in here. So there's two compartments. This side had the autograph, and this side has a bunch of VeVe stickers. So yeah, you can deck out your stuff with VeVe stickers. I'll probably stick one on my laptop. And yeah, what we'll do is we'll probably turn on this light and we'll see just what this looks like. So we'll be back in a second. Okay, so we've got the sign up, which is pretty cool. We can turn it, you know, the highest setting, and we can dim it as well, which is pretty cool. And now what we're going to do is going to see what it looks like in the dark. So Alexa, turn off the ceiling light. Okay, now we are currently, oh actually, you know what, I've got the light coming from this. Let me dim that. Okay, so yeah, this is like glowing pretty brightly. I mean, it's pretty cool. Like if there was no light in this room, then yeah, you probably see it a lot more clearer. But I guess that's how the camera picks it up. But we'll dim it down a bit, and this is kind of what it looks like when it's off. I mean, when it's off, it's pretty cool. Like, but yeah, I kind of like having it like this, just kind of in the night. So yeah, that's pretty much it. What I'm going to be doing is I will be giving away a bunch of these t-shirts, you know, the XL, XXL ones, the medium and small ones. I think I may give away one of the small ones, but yeah, mainly the XL, XXL, oh, and the large ones as well. So yeah, I'm going to be giving away 3 different sizes. So if you want to kind of win one of the t-shirts, all you need to do is like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll probably use a random comment picker on a future video and select someone to win one of these t-shirts. You know, ideally, I don't want to pay too much for shipping, but you know, we'll see. So, oh, and also leave which size you would like as well. So in the comment of this video, leave a size, whether it's large, extra large, or extra large that you prefer, and which color as well. So because there are 2 types, there's the black one and the white one, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's pretty much everything I want to go through with you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. Please do like and subscribe to support the content, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.